Maharashtra because in a disturbing incident from the state, stand-up comedian Praneeth More was allegedly assaulted by a group of men after mocking Bollywood debutant Veer Paharia during his performance in Solapur. Now, in a social media post, the comedian's team explained that the horrifying incident took place on Sunday evening when the group of 11-12 individuals, allegedly led by a person, attacked him. Now, Veer is the grandson of former Chief Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde. You're looking at two set of visuals. On the right hand is Veer, the debutant, and on the left, Praneeth More, the one who took to social media to condemn this incident and also explain what really happened with him. Now, separately, the venue of the show has also issued a clarification expressing regret and claiming that they weren't part of this. Meanwhile, Solapur DCP has confirmed that a case has been registered. Let's listen in.
हॉटेल चालकांना संपर्क करून हॉटेल मॅनेजरच्या तक्रारीवरून भारतीय न्याय संहिता कलम 115-189 नुसार गुन्हा दाखल करण्यात आलेला आहे. एकूण 10 व्यक्तींच्या विरोधात गुन्हा दाखल आहे. त्यापैकी 8 लोकांना म्हणजे ओळखण्यात आलेलं आहे आणि त्या आयडेंटिफाईड 8 लोकांपैकी आज 5 इसमांना ताब्यात घेण्यात आलेलं आहे. पुढील तपास सुरू आहे.
Cutting across to Rucha Kanolkar. Rucha, very good afternoon to you. Given the aspect that, this is, of course, not the first time, which is unfortunate because comedy is often seen as, a form of expression. And at the end of the day, the actor says he has no involvement in it. Even the venue has, in fact, washed their hands off by saying while they support the artist in terms of what happened, they really don't know what really transpired this incident. Action has been taken, but what really happened there? If you could draw that into perspective for us.
Well, the incident took place in Solapur at 24K Brews. It's a location where people perform their arts, and at one of the comic stand-up, the comedian was talking about Veer Paharia, who's Bollywood debutant, and he's also a grandson of former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, senior leader Sushil Kumar Shinde. Now the performance was happening at Solapur, and after the stand-up comedy, after the show ended, a group of people, about 12 men, came to Praneeth More, who was performing, and they approached him as fans. They pretended that they were there for taking selfies, and they started attacking this person. Now they hit him, punched him, and they warned him not to make any jokes about Veer Paharia. This happened in the evening, and immediately Praneeth had gone to local police station. He was trying to report what happened, but he initially said that police were not helping them even getting the offense registered. He also said that there were plenty of security cameras, not enough security people were present at the spot, but there were security cameras, but he was not able to get any CCTV footage, which is why he is saying that this was properly planned attack after what he said about Veer Paharia. And Veer also commented on this. He took this to social media. He said that he is feeling sorry about the incident, even though he is not relevant to what happened. But he apologized to Praneeth, saying that these kind of incidences are...
All right, so the actor has not just clarified over this, but has also apologized for it on his behalf. All right, thank you for joining us with those details, Richa.